Today's question is, how much should I pay for an epoxy floor? What are the options? What should I be going for and what should I stay away from? Well, that's a pretty easy formula. Epoxy floors are a simple process, but it takes a fair bit of time and it's a lot of work to get it done, so they're expensive. It's not a super cheap prospect. It's important to shop around and make sure that you're getting the best rate and that you're comparing apples to apples and not apples to oranges. What we see is in our company, it's about just over $8.25, I believe it is, for a square footage for doing your garage. But you'll see people advertising at $6 a square foot, up to, $15 a square foot. So what you need to do is really look at that number and find out what you're getting for it. Epoxy is a process. There's grinding to be done. There's multiple layers to go down. There's timing where it has to be more than 12 hours, but it can't be less. It can't be more than 24 hours, but it's got to be more than 12 hours for things to cure properly. There's lots of things to factor into this. So when you're making your choice, make sure that you do a little spreadsheet for yourself and look out for those hidden fees, look out for those enviro fees, look out for anything that doesn't seem very straightforward and normal. You deserve a quote that is easy to read and easy to understand. Here at Affordable Epoxy Floors, we'll make sure you have that.